My more important analysis videos with me, which is Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Monday 29th of January. My final chart of the day is gold. And gold's actually a very interesting point at the moment. Technically, seems to be a bit of a crossroads. 1357.50 was September's high. It hasn't really confirmed a closing breakout above that level yet. And the market is sort of being squeezed between that and the breakout 1344. And you've seen this trading in the last sort of few days around that 1344 as the low. You've also got the squeeze of that uptrend that we've been in for the past sort of 6 weeks, 7 weeks. And we're sort of now at a bit of a crossroads, because you look at the momentum indicators as well, consolidating really rather than showing a continued strength. Those MACD lines could be on the brink of crossing lower, but the stochastics are sort of slightly tailing off as well. So given that the market is down today but has held on to that sort of breakout 1344, you're still sort of in this positive mindset of the uptrend and the potential for closing breakout above 1357.50, although you have seen a high dating back to July last year, not last year, year before, 2016, on a closing level. Didn't really sort of decisively make that breakout above 1357, did it? And the market is still sort of consolidating, still looking at exactly where it's going to move next, and sort of you can see that on the hourly chart where you've sort of dragged back to these moving averages. The momentum indicators are sort of teetering on the brink as well. You could argue the MACD lines are now negatively configured. The RSI sort of falling over underneath 50 now. Needs to sort of re-engage, I think, the upside impetus to really suggest we are going to get continued upside, continued move. Hourly chart as the resistance of 1366, but as I said, 1357.50 would be a level to watch on a closing breakout. And we haven't had that yet decisively. So yes, I think standing on the brink of this gold chart, and what could be a bit of a crossroads for gold. If you start to see the market rolling over, you could see it back at 1300 to 1310 again. Certainly that support at 1325 would be likely to be the next test, if it did sort of start to close underneath 1344. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.